Welcome to the channel show, folks. Again, I got off on working on some stuff and forgot to bring it along. But look at this beauty. I got it cleaned up, got a lot of this grease off. There's still, of course, some there, but I got a few things I want to take care of, and I started actually working on it. The blade, the arms for it, and in between the tracks are rusty. There's hardly any paint at all on them, and I got just some black tractor paint, and I'm using a wire wheel, and I'm just grinding wire wheeling it, and then I've already pressure washed it. I'm gonna wire wheel it, hose it off with air, and go ahead and shoot that. And then right here, back to this lovely thumb again. You can see it's pretty slap wore out, but right here's the marks where this is still hitting. So I'm probably going to measure back to one of these teeth. Of course, I would like to start here. I don't want to cut off too much, but I'm going to measure back and try to get this to where, maybe measure from that pin up when it curled all the way up. Either way, I'm going to try to get it to where you can curl the boom all the way up and it not hit. So I need to cut this off. Somebody asked some measurement on this. I need to get some measurements on this stuff too. But yeah, that's the plan for the day. Just some a little bit of preventative maintenance. Just working on it, washed it up. Man, it looks amazing. I love it. I love how clean it came out. I blew some of the paint off, so oops. Pressure washer newbie, I guess. There's better ways to do it. Of course, take the tracks off and clean everything, and then wipe it all down with mineral oil, lacquer or something, and then primer it with some etching paint. And yeah, I got all that. It's a machine. I'm just trying to get some of the rust knocked off and get some paint on it, prevent it from rusting anymore. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, that's basically it. Yeah, there's some spots that I missed, but it's a machine. I ain't too awful worried about it. I just got the majority of it, the insides, and now I'm gonna raise that. No, actually, I'm gonna lower that boom down a little bit more, or this blade. I'm gonna get up in there, and then I'm gonna raise it back up and start painting up here. So yeah, let's do it. While that dries, I'm gonna take a little screwdriver and try to bend these little louvers out so air will flow through them.
Why?
Got a stick in there.
Why, Mommy?
Do I look like your mama?
Why, Daddy?
That took forever. Something long. Alright, well that dries. I've drawn me some lines here. Like I said, it's hitting up here. And I want to cut this back, cut that way, and then cut this back, and then I will bowl this out, if you will. Oh, let me get out of your way. And then I'll cut all that back. So that's the next step, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it with toddler of terror here. So we'll get her cut somehow. Get your glasses on. Safety first. Let's see if that works. Looks like it worked. I just need to clean it up real quick. Alright, that's got that uniformly cut and ish that cylinder painted. Probably need to paint them all. Some overspray and stuff, but I don't know if I'm gonna get in that detail on this go around. Maybe if everything slows way down, I will. But I'm gonna go through and give her another coat on everything already painted. Just kind of a rough coat. So yeah. Well, that's it, folks. Paint's all dried up. She's cleaned up, and she's ready to go back to work. Call it dirt. That's why I didn't want to move it until it was until that paint was good and dry, because that dirt was if it would have fell on it wet, it would have just stuck to it. So yeah, look like a brand new machine. Cool. I like it. Well, I appreciate y'all watching the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.